We're learning more about the disease that killed an 11-year-old boy last month. Thanks for watching. I'm Josh Rowe.
And I'm Latricia Thomas. Yesterday, we told you that Chandler Bolden, a Heritage Middle School student, died of inflammation to his brain. Today, NewsChannel 9's Briona Arradondo looked into what that means and who's at risk. She joins us now with what she learned from health officials. Briona.
Latricia, Josh, doctors told me today that a person gets encephalitis from either a virus or a bacteria, and doctors say the most common cause in children is the enteroviruses. While we still don't know the specifics of Chandler Bolden's death, public health officials told me whether there's a risk to students at Heritage Middle. The Catoosa County coroner says 11-year-old Chandler Bolden passed away from encephalitis 1 month ago. The disease is an inflammation of brain tissue. Dr. David Sparks tells me dying from it is rare.
In your medical expertise, if you found that to be true.
Yes, that is true. It is not common to die from an encephalitis. However, if an encephalitis becomes severe enough, then it can definitely lead to death.
According to Dr. Sparks, the Heritage Middle School student could have contracted either a virus or bacteria that caused the disease. He says the enteroviruses are its most common cause in children.
If they've contracted that virus, most of the time it causes a rash or a flu-type symptom, but occasionally it can lead to an encephalitis, yes.
While we don't yet know what specifically caused Chandler to develop encephalitis, that vital information could come from Chandler's medical records at Hullander Health System. And doctors say,
yes, it is contagious. It's not something that is easily contracted. In fact, it's easily avoided.
That's why public health officials say there's no health risk to students here.
We would advise people simply to do the things that we always recommend people do this time of the year, and that's careful hand washing, follow the school's sick policy.
In this case, health officials say they will not alert Catoosa County parents. Today, a school spokesperson says there's no record of sick students at Heritage Middle since Chandler's case.
Our epidemiologists are working with the physician in this particular case to determine if testing was ordered that may give us that information.
Doctors say that symptoms for encephalitis range from cold symptoms to disorientation and high fever, and that can lead to a coma. Doctors say that if those symptoms last more than 24 hours, to avoid giving your child aspirin and get to a doctor. According to the Centers for Disease Control, multiple strands of the enterovirus are a cause for encephalitis.